Hello my friends, welcome. We are now within a move, and I've already shown you in my previous video how to dismantle this type of old piece of furniture, and now we are mounting it back. Let's go. As I've already explained you in the previous video, there are three main pieces here. So one is the feet, then all the pieces which are composing the cupboard, and then the top. So the first thing to do is to place all the pieces like they were on the feet. So here, for instance, it's rather easy. Here I have these pieces which are for the doors, so this goes on this side. And I'm just placing the dowels, and I can already put the first screw. I'm not tightening it too much. Then this one here is the central piece going in the center. And we can see if there's an indication. For instance, here there's a number which is upside down, so I'll put it on the other side. So here an indication it's still dirty, so this was on the back. Okay. And we don't forget this central piece. So here there doesn't seem to be a direction. Now I'm screwing what I can. So now we're putting the top. And for the moment, we're not pushing on the dowels. Okay. So here we can see that the holes for holding the doors are on the right, and here the pieces holding the door are here on the right. So we know that the door is opening in this way. Okay. I can screw everything tighter on the bottom, and I've still the two big screws for the top. Really super quality. Okay. Here I have all the little pieces which are holding the shelves. So as you can see, I made some spare ones. Here, this is out of chipwood, which was not a good idea. You can also take pallet wood. So I'm putting on the bottom the ones which are not too good, which are the ones out of chipwood. So here there's this piece, so normally it's on the top, but for saving space we put more shelves. Okay. That's it, my friends. Now the cupboard is perfectly mounted. I hope it will motivate you to buy old furniture. You've seen that it's easy to dismantle, it's easy to mount back, it's easy to move. So here, of course, it's a bit old, so pieces have gone on the sides. But from a functional point of view, it's absolutely perfect. And I would say aesthetically, it's really great. I hope that you like this video. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.